Hello everybody, Eric here. Today I'm going to show you the operation of the Taiyo-Edge radio controlled race cart or go-karts. I used to sell these at the go-kart races and on my website in 2002 to 2007 or so when they stopped making them. They had them in two different versions, 27 megahertz and 45 megahertz. But they had a lot of different drivers that they featured. This one's the Bill Elliot version. Here's the Dale Earnhardt version, Dale Earnhardt Sr. Here's the Jeff Gordon version. And then here's my brochures back in the day that I used to give away at the races. So here's a close-up of the go-kart. And the go-kart itself uses 6 AA batteries. There's 3 that go in this side and 3 in this side. And then you can control the straight ahead position. If it seems to veer to one side or the other, you can change this a little to make sure it always goes straight. And then the controller, which of course has forward, reverse, left, and right, uses a 9-volt battery behind here. So not rechargeables, just alkaline batteries. The 9-volt battery lasts a long time, but the AA's in the cart itself you'll replace quite often. The driver comes in and out, is separate. And the controller has a flexible antenna, which is nice. It's not breakable. So those are the main features of the Taiyo-Edge go-kart. So we'll go outside and drive them around the driveway and I'll show you the operation. So here we go. This is the Taiyo-Edge radio controlled race cart, Bill Elliot version.
Time for fun.